Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to learn how to draw a penguin, an easy penguin. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just using a Sharpie. You can use anything you have at home. A pencil will do just fine. When you're ready, we're going to go ahead and draw a circle. Start with a circle. And we're going to jump right in and draw the face. We're going to draw two ovals for a penguin's eyes. When you're ready, draw an upside down triangle for the nose. And we're going to go inside and draw two circles and fill them in for a penguin's eyes. When you're ready for the body, we're going to draw a big oval, just like that. And for the center, for the belly, we're going to draw another oval, a little bit smaller. And we need to add the penguin's wings. Just adding a diagonal line here, and then drawing another line going back in. Think of two triangles. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw the feet. We're just drawing a zigzag line for the feet, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just a zigzag line for the feet. And believe it or not, that is all. Super easy way to draw a penguin. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys with the colored version. I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and share the channel with someone that you know. It really helps the channel grow, and I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.